On today's video, we're going to be checking out our brand new 3D Doodler. We participated in the Kickstarter to help fund the 3D Doodler 2.0, and we haven't tried it out yet. So here we have a whole bunch of things, and I have already opened the box a few times. So here's the pen, and as you can see there's two buttons. One is for slow speed and one is for fast. Plug it in, insert your strand, ready, set, doodle. So let's do that. According to the quick start guide, we're supposed to use the ABS plastic on high heat. Oh hey, there's an on, off, and a low button. There you go. So let's turn it on to high, and a little red light popped on. Cool. So we'll just wait a minute or two. Got a blue light now. That means that it's ready to go. So let's insert our strand. We're supposed to push until we feel it catch. Seem to have caught. Oh man, I can smell it now. Now let's press the button to see if it'll start pulling it out. That was cool. Little motor sound. I don't think it got it though. It didn't feel like it was catching. Well, this is super anticlimactic. I'm gonna consult the instruction manual and I'll be right back. Well, according to the instruction manual, we just didn't give it enough time. And hey, look, it's starting to drool something out. Let's see if that'll be plastic in a second here. There's the color, guys. Check it out. Oh, we're drawing a line. We're totally drawing a line. Let's make it curve. Okay, that's not a curve, that's an angle. We're drawing a square. There's obviously a learning curve to this thing, apparently. Okay, let's try something again. Let's do a circle. Come on. Well, that didn't work so well. Okay, now the tip is supposedly very, very hot, so I'm going to try not to touch it. I'm willing to believe that this tip is very hot because everything is melted that's touching it. Oh hey, I can kind of see like etch marks in my table. There's that circle that we drew right there. Let's try to do that circle again. There we go. It's working out a bit better. That's not a circle anymore. I wonder if it's the surface of the table that's not helping us out. Attempt number, I don't know where we're at, on some cardboard. Ready, set, go. Seems to be sticking a little bit better. Check that out. I made a square and a little thing. See if we can get another one. If I give it a few seconds to cool, it seems to do a better job of holding its shape. Look at that, guys! Okay, the first one's a little bit on the wobbly side. Okay, they're all kind of on the wobbly side because that was my point of view. Oh no! So on here it says that you can weld the plastic, but I just put the hot tip down in between and let them kind of melt together. See if we can't connect them up here. Yeah, online I've been seeing all of these 3D Doodle creations, and the one thing that I always wondered about was, it's a pen, why does everything look so scribbly? Why can't you just draw a straight line? Well, apparently the answer is it takes a frick lot of control. Hey, look at that. We made a thing.